Hello children. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in EVS. Children, look at these pictures carefully. Now children, tell me, the first picture is of? Yes, it's a picture of a sunrise. Second picture? Yes, it's a picture of a sunset. Yes, it's a moon. Children, we experience these changes every day, isn't it? Morning, afternoon, evening, night. So children, today let us learn something more about this in the lesson Changes in Our Surroundings. Children, we can see things around us clearly during the day, isn't it? Why can't we see them clearly at night? Think. Tell me. Yes, during the day we get sunlight. Our Mr. Sun shines bright in the sky. That is why we can see things around us clearly. It grows dark after sunset. There is no enough light. We see the stars in the sky at night, but we don't see things around us clearly. Day and night affect living beings. Children, look at this picture and tell me what it is. Yes, it's a shadow. Children, you must have noticed that at different times of day, your shadow is different. Do you know the reason? Think. It is because of the position of the sun. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. Before the sun rises, we can see various shades of colors in the sky to the east. Can you see, children? When the sun rises, its light is soft. The shadows fall to the west and they are long. Can you see, children, in the picture? The sun is rising from east. In the morning, your shadow falls in the west direction and your shadow is long. So children, when the sun is overhead, above your head, your shadow becomes shorter. So children, always remember, when the sun is directly overhead, shadows are very short. The sun slowly begins shifting to the west. The shadow begins moving to the east and become longer. Can you see in the picture? The sun sets in the west direction. So your shadow will fall in the east direction and your shadow will be longer. After the sunset, various shades of colors are seen in the sky to the west. Children, isn't it amazing? From dawn to night time, The first appearance of light in the sky before sunrise is called dawn. Can you see, children, the beautiful shades of color? Birds are the first to sense the end of the night. Their chirping begins from early dawn. The birds leave their nest, they start flying in flocks and begin to search for food. If there is a rooster nearby, you can hear it crow. Bird too begins to blossom. Their petals starts unfolding. The flowers have sweet nectar. Bees come to collect it. Butterflies, beetles, and other insects start hovering around the flowers. People around us set themselves to work too. We also get ready to go to school. Isn't it, children? Early morning in the villages, cowherds take cows and buffaloes out to graze. Once their stomachs are full, they sit in a quiet place and ruminate. Ruminate? Yes, some animals graze until their stomachs are full. Later, they sit and bring back the swallowed food into their mouth again, a little at a time, and chew it. Can you see, children? Then they swallow the chewed food a second time. This is called rumination or chewing curd. This helps them to digest their food properly. Cows and buffaloes are animals that ruminate. In the evening, the animal return to their shed. Flocks of birds return to their nest. We too return home from school. But children, there are some animals who set out to search for food after sunset. These animals are called nocturnal animals. These animals sleep during the day and they search for food at night. Moths, crickets, and glowworms are some such animals. Tigers, bats, and owls are also nocturnal animals. Children, just like animals, there are some flowers that bloom at night. They are Ratrani and Rajini-gandha. Children, I am sure that you all must have understood the lesson. Let's do a quick revision of what we have learned today. When the sun rises, there is light. Then it is day. When the sun sets, it becomes dark and it is night. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In the morning, shadows fall to the west and are long. When the sun is overhead, shadows become very short. In the evening, shadows become long and fall to the east. The daily routine of all living things is connected to day and night. Rumination helps animal to digest the food. Some animals set in search of food after the sun sets. These animals are called nocturnal animals. Children, this is your activity. Kindly solve the activity and share it to your respective WhatsApp group. We shall continue with our next topic in our next EVS period. Till then, take care. Bye.